So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to zoom in, press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in, so that we can make a good selection from the lips here. And in order to make this selection, I'm going to select the paths tool because I can curve the paths. So I'm going to start my path. I'm going to left click here and then left click here and then drag to make a curve. So now I can still move this one here like this. And now I'm going to move this one. And now, for example, if you want to create another path, if I left click here, so as you can see, the path here is curved. So Ctrl Z to undo. So you will need to bring this handle here to the path here, created. And now you'll be able to create a normal path. So here, and now you can, for example, adjust it from the handles here like this. So I'm going to leave it here and now left click here on the path here to select it. I'm going to bring this handle to the middle here so I can create a straight path. So now I'm going to create another path here, another path here. And now I'm going to create a curved path. So like this. And now bring the handle. So just make sure to select the lips, just take your time. And now hold the control key and then left click on the first path here, this one here, to close your path. So here it is. And now press enter. And now if you want to remove the dots here of the paths here, just select another tool. And now I need to feather this selection. So go to select and then feather. So for the amount, I'm going to choose 10. And now for this one, you can uncheck it. So I'm just going to leave it here like this and now press OK. And now we need to copy the lips from this layer here. So Ctrl C to copy and then Ctrl V to paste. So now if I hide the bottom layer, so here's our lips here. And now I'm going to reveal the bottom layer. And now let's remove the selection, go to select, none. And now I'm going to change the layer mode here of the lips here to multiply, left click on the mode and then change it to multiply. So here it is. And now if I select left click here on the Gimp window, press minus key on your keyboard to zoom in. So let's see the before and after. You can still, for example, adjust it. So just select the eraser tool. So make sure to reduce the hardness, reduce the force. I'm going to reduce the size. If you want to fix, for example, if you didn't make a good selection, just paint so like this on the lips here, this one here, to remove some of the parts here to fix it. So here press minus key on your keyboard and now let's hide it. So I'm going to right click layer to image size so we don't have the boundaries here of the layer. So this is the before, this is the after. And now if you want to brighten the lipstick, just go to colors and then select hue and saturation. And now I'm going to increase the saturation to increase the color and then increase the lightness to brighten a little bit. So like this. Now let's check the preview. And now here you can also change the color. So I think I'm going to leave it with these settings here with this kind of red pink color here. And now just press OK. And now let's see the before and after. I'm just going to hide the top layer. So this is the before, this is the after. You can still reduce the opacity if you want of the layer or even duplicate it to increase the effect. So here. And now you can still, for example, change the colors or the lightness or the saturation. I'm going to hide the top layer. Select this one here. The middle one. Left click on the FX here. And now select the hue and saturation. Double click on it. And now you can, for example, change the lightness. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. Now I'm going to select the top layer, right click, new from visible. And now let's see the before and after.